Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new page in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the new page to. Tap on it. Now to add the new page, simply scroll till the end just like this. Then tap onto the plus sign icon and here you can find the option of page break. Simply tap on it. After this, here we can see the new page has been added to your document. So this is how you can add a new page on your documents. And that's it. Now you know how to add new page to your documents easily in Google Docs. Now add the pages as much as you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.